What's up, guys? Yesterday I went and picked up the dometic CFX 35 and I just wanted to do an unboxing video, not really a review because I'm not going to go over it quite yet. I'm just going to open it up and look at it, and I'm going to get it out of the box and show you what it looks like. All right, here it is, guys. Took it out of the box. There's nothing else in there except for like the packing plastic. Has reinforced corners. I think this is the second smallest one they make for the CFX series. It has an LED light right there. It came with the DC and AC plugins. Little basket. I believe it comes out. Well, yeah, it comes out. And there's a drain plug. Some of the settings. Nice handles. They're springy, so they go back by themselves. There's also a USB port. And I'm going to be running this off my Goal Zero Yeti. Here's what it says on the inside of the lid. I'm going to plug it in really fast and then I'll be back. Plugged it in, but I haven't turned it on yet, and I also forgot to mention that there is a manual that comes with the plugins, and I plugged it into the wall, not my Goal Zero yet, but I just wanted to see how loud it was when you first turn it on. So you actually have to hold down the button to turn it on. You can kind of hear it. It's really not that loud at all. I thought it was going to be louder. I don't know what any of these settings mean yet, but I'll figure it out, I guess. Right now it's set. Oh, there's the LED light. Right now it's set to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll set it for 36. And then I'm also going to start timing it. Alright, I'm doing a quick update. It's been 15 minutes so far, and when we first started it was at 58 degrees, and in 15 minutes it dropped down to 55, not 54. I'll check back in a few minutes and let you know what we're at. Hey guys, we're 20 minutes in, and it dropped to 37, and last time we checked in, 36, it's done, and it took 20 minutes, almost flat. So that's not bad at all. I mean, if you're cooling it before you go out, you know, it'll definitely help if you're connecting it to like your Goal Zero. Won't take as much wattage or amps. 20 minutes is not bad at all. I was definitely expecting more like 35 minutes, 40 minutes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks.